In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export files from Dropbox. Whether you're looking to back up important documents, save photos, or share files with someone who doesn't use Dropbox, exporting your files can be an essential skill. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Dropbox.com. It's the starting point of our journey, a familiar place for those of us who've used the service to store our precious files, a digital attic of sorts. Once you're there, your screen will likely greet you with the familiar blue and white of the Dropbox homepage. Next up, you'll notice the Login button. Clicking on this is your next step. It's straightforward but crucial as it's the gateway to accessing your stored files. Look for it, usually in the top right corner of the screen. A click here and you're one step closer to your files. Now, you'll be prompted to type in your email. This is the email address you use to register your Dropbox account. Type it carefully, it's the digital equivalent of a key to your online filing cabinet. After you enter your email, you'll find the continue button waiting patiently for you to click. This part feels a bit like knocking on a door, signaling your intent to enter and access your important documents or memories stored away. Following the prompt to continue, you'll reach the point where you're asked for your password. Picture your password as a secret handshake or a retinal scan in a spy movie. It's what keeps your precious files safe from prying eyes. Type it in and click Login to authenticate yourself and gain access to your Dropbox cosmos. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard, and it's here you'll want to navigate to Files. This area is like the main corridor of our digital vault where folders and files live. Clicking here will reveal the neatly arranged or chaotically scattered files, depending on your personal organization style. Now, the moment of truth arrives as you select a file to export. Browse through your collection until you find the treasure you're after. It might be that presentation you've been working on for weeks, a collection of family photos, or an important document. Whatever it is, clicking on it selects the file, earmarking it for your journey out of Dropbox. And finally, the last step in our journey, clicking download. With a simple click, your selected file begins its journey from the cloud to your computer. It's akin to ordering something online and awaiting its arrival at your doorstep, except it's instant. As your file downloads, a sense of accomplishment washes over you. You've navigated the digital realm of Dropbox and successfully exported your desired file. And just like that, you've completed the task at hand. Keep in mind, the process we've walked through today can be repeated for as many files as you need, making it easy to manage your digital life and ensure you have access to your files wherever and whenever you need them. Also, don't forget to organize your exported files on your computer to avoid any digital clutter or confusion in the future. A well-organized digital space is akin to a well-organized mind, after all. And that wraps up our guide on how to export files from Dropbox. Simple, right? With a few clicks, knowledge of where to look and the right credentials, you've mastered yet another digital skill to add to your repertoire. Whether you're exporting files for backup, to share with someone, or to work on them offline, the process is the same, and now it's one you know well. Remember, in our ever-evolving digital world, knowing how to manage and move your files is an invaluable skill. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides on navigating the digital workspace. Happy exporting!